In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get HostPapa affiliate links quickly and efficiently. If you're interested in becoming an affiliate for HostPapa, this guide will provide you with simple steps to get started. First, you'll need to visit the HostPapa affiliate page by going to their website at www.hostpapa.com/affiliates. This page is your first stop on the journey to becoming a HostPapa affiliate. Once you arrive there, it's time to begin the sign-up process by clicking on the Join Now button. This is typically located prominently on the page, often inviting new users to take advantage of their affiliate program. Next, you'll be asked to fill out some basic information. This includes your name, email, website, and any other relevant details they require. Providing accurate and complete information here is crucial, as it ensures your application is processed smoothly. After completing the form, go ahead and click Sign Up. Now you'll need to check your email to verify your account and activate it. This is a standard procedure for most online registrations and helps maintain the security of your account. Once your account is live and you've been approved, the next step is to navigate to the HostPapa affiliate login page. You'll find a link to this page in your confirmation email, so make sure to keep an eye on your inbox for their approval notification. Once you're on the login page, enter your registered email and password, then proceed by clicking Login. After successfully logging in, you'll arrive at your affiliate dashboard. This is where all your affiliate tools and links are managed. Look for the Marketing Tools or Affiliate Links section and click on it. Here, you will see your unique affiliate link. This is the essential link that you will share with your audience to earn commissions. To make your work easier, you can simply click on the link to copy it. This action saves you time and ensures you have the correct link ready to be shared. However, if you're interested in creating more personalized or custom tracking links, navigate towards the option labeled Create New Link or Custom Tracking Link. You'll find this option particularly useful if you want to track the performance of different campaigns or links. Finalizing your unique links involves pasting a specific HostPapa page URL into the provided field. This could be any specific service or product page, like hosting plans or WordPress hosting. Once pasted, click Generate Link to create your custom link. Then, to finish, copy your new custom generated link. And that's it! Now you have your HostPapa affiliate links ready for use. Remember, sharing these links effectively can help you earn commissions from referring new business to HostPapa. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Happy linking!